I qualified as an engineer, and since then I've been working on computing systems, and I've been working on the LOBO system and developing it. I teamed up with a colleague. We've invented it to solve customer problems. We worked on a power station, and we found that the needs provided weren't good enough by the scaffolding company. They didn't arrive when you wanted them to arrive. Then they put a system up that you couldn't adjust because you had to be a scaffolder to adjust it. And when you're working on a fixed price for the power station, the last thing you want are delays in your contract. That's right, we were digging the channels and laying the cables for the power station, and so we needed to work in very difficult areas within the power station itself. When you contract for a job, you have to provide all the services to get the job done, so you can't then add on additional costs. Our first customer was a local company called Rolls-Royce in Derby. We constantly designed and refined and developed the system, so there's been countless engineering changes to improve it. The innovation that we always look to is solving problems that customers have. At Miller Brewing, they had a problem with the scaffolding system. It was costing them too much money, so we talked to them about the ability of the LOBO system to reduce the cost, to increase the safety, ensure compliancy, and talk to them about their training requirements. So the first step in our process would be to arrive on site, demonstrate the product, and prove its concept. From that, we would follow up with a schematic which would provide a solution to the customer with the necessary training that was required. Yeah, Miller Brewing had a cost of $98,000 every year to do one task every quarter. We received an order for about $16,000, which meant that they would get their money back the first time they used it. We had to guarantee that the LOBO system was OSHA compliant, and we had to ensure that our training was fit for purpose. We simply shipped the product to them at their site and delivered the training by going over there and creating a training environment. We also have the use of authorised training partners in the United States. In terms of delivering training, we have used the internet to provide face-to-face but online or on-site training. The certification for the training is achieved by using a tried and trusted process that we've rolled out. We've made sure that it's compliant to all the local and international regulations, and we provide a test. Obviously, insurance is one. Safety of their employees is also paramount, but it also means that you can adjust the product yourself. We deal with the biggest food companies on the planet, and so we have some really great case study material. Because LOBO Systems is up to 10 times faster than scaffolding, we cut the scaffolding bill in half at very least. A LOBO package starts around $10,000. It can go up from there depending on how many packages you want, how much of a system you want. We have customers that spend $10,000 or $75,000 or $100,000. We're going to develop our system to more and more customers throughout the North American continent and Europe. We can see some very large customers using automated conveyor systems, sortation equipment, and they need maintaining. So LOBO is actually a perfect fit. for that situation.